In this video, we're going to talk about embracing the unique qualities of drawing, valuing its imperfection, and the freedom it offers over other mediums. In the realm of art, drawing stands alone. It's not merely a step towards a painting or a thumbnail for a digital masterpiece. Drawing on its own is raw. It's real. Drawing is about embracing the raw and unrefined to find the beauty in the lines and the freedom that drawing offers. In every line, every smudge, there's a story. Drawings capture not just images, but moments, emotions. These imperfections aren't flaws, they're signatures of authenticity, a testament to the human hand at work. In the uneven lines, the variable pressure of pencil on paper, there's a raw honesty that no other medium can replicate. Now, when you compare drawing to other mediums like photography, photography captures reality with precision, but drawing interprets it. A photo freezes a moment in time, often striving for perfection in clarity and composition. Drawing, conversely, is about expression, about seeing beyond the literal. It's where an artist's perception, their inner vision, takes precedence over the exact replication of a scene. This is the beauty of drawing. It's not bound by the need to be photorealistic, but is free to explore, exaggerate, and even simplify to convey a deeper truth in what you're observing when you draw. Drawing also stands out in its immediacy, where painting, for example, often requires setup, mixing of colors, and a certain degree of planning. Drawing instead is direct. With just a pencil and paper, an artist can instantly translate thoughts onto a surface. This spontaneity allows for a more raw and unfiltered expression of ideas, often capturing the essence of a subject with simplicity and speed that painting can't match. Also, in drawing, every line carries weight and meaning. Unlike painting, for example, where layers and textures dominate, drawing is about the intimacy of lines. There's a certain closeness and connection that develops as the artist's hand indirectly or directly interacts with the paper, creating a dialogue of strokes and marks. This direct line work offers a level of control and detail that is unique to drawing, allowing for nuanced expressions that might get lost under the brushstrokes of a painting. Drawing is inherently versatile and accessible. It can be done anywhere, at any time, with minimal materials. This accessibility opens up a world of creativity that isn't always as readily available in painting, for example. Drawing is inherently versatile and accessible. It can be done anywhere, at any time, with minimal materials. This accessibility opens up a world of creativity that isn't always as readily available in painting. For artists on the go, for the spontaneous moments of inspiration, drawing is the perfect medium to capture the essence of any fleeting observation or ephemeral idea. Drawing is perfect. Also, where painting can often be about the overall impression, drawing allows for focused exploration of form, perspective, and composition. The simplicity of black and white or limited colors in drawing brings a certain clarity, making it an excellent medium for studying subjects in detail. This focus helps artists understand the fundamentals of art, such as anatomy, structure, and light, which are really essential skills across all artistic mediums. Drawing is often more personal and introspective, without the complexities of color theory and paint application or tools like cameras. Artists can dive deeper into their inner worlds, using simple lines to explore complex emotions, observations, and concepts. This introspective quality makes drawing not just a foundation for other art forms, but a deeply expressive medium in its own right, offering avenues of expression that are distinct and invaluable. Drawing is freedom. In its lines, its simplicity, there is liberty. You take a pencil, a piece of paper, and the world falls away. There's just you and your creation. It's direct, honest, no pretense, no complexity. You draw, and in that act, you're free. In this digital age where machines can mimic art, drawing stands apart. It's human. It's filled with imperfections and emotions. When you draw in your sketchbook or on a piece of paper, you're creating an artifact. Even as our artificial intelligence learns to create, it lacks the soul of a human artist. A machine can replicate techniques, but not the imperfect beauty that the human hand can make when drawing. The imperfect thought lines, the gestural lines, the mistakes. Overall, we draw not just to create, but to connect, to feel. In every line, there's a piece of us, something no machine can replicate. This is the heart of drawing, a celebration of human creativity, unbound by technology and untamed by perfection. In drawing, take risks, experiment. The paper is your field, the pencil your companion. Make mistakes. They're not failures, but paths to new ideas. Every line you draw, every mark you make, let it be a step in the unknown. Let your hand wander, free from the chains of perfection. In these wanderings, you find innovation, creativity that wouldn't surface if you always played it safe. That's what I love about drawing. The greatest artists didn't just follow rules, they broke them. They ventured beyond known borders. Adopt this mindset. Seek not to make perfect images, but to explore, to question, to grow. In the world of drawing, perfection is not the goal. Exploration is. Remember, drawing is a journey, not a destination. As cheesy as that sounds, it's a path of discovery, of personal expression, of connecting with the world in your unique way. You and your sketchbook, going out into the world, you can observe and interpret things however you want. Embrace the imperfections of your drawings, the freedom, the intimacy of line work that drawing offers. Let your pencil roam free, unbound by the constraints of perfection. In a world increasingly digital where AI mimics art, hold fast to the human element in your work. Draw on paper, not on an iPad. Let your drawings be a testament to your individuality, a celebration of what machines cannot replicate, your inner vision and interpreting things that you see in your own unique way. Experiment, take risks, and let mistakes be your guide to uncharted territories of creativity. Let your art be a reflection of your journey. So pick up your pencil, your sketchbook, and draw. Draw not just to create, but to understand, to feel, to express. In each line, each stroke, find your voice. And through your art, speak to the world. This is your canvas, your story. Write it well. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.